Looking for a reliable mechanic in your town? You have a great mechanic just minutes away. Do you want someone who does great work on your vehicle and saves you time and effort? A mechanic who'll be honest about the bill? Then search no further. Introducing Joe's Auto Repairs. We get the job done quickly and efficiently at a price you can appreciate. Call Joe's Auto Repairs at 555-678-9890. We guarantee you'll be happy with our service. Joe's Auto Repairs will take great care of your repair needs. Call 555-678-9890. That's 555-678-9890. Call today.